Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you quick and easy potato salad. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. The ingredients will be listed on the left. Let's begin with the potatoes and the eggs. We're going to get them started in some water and salt. Okay, this is after 10 minutes. And they have already been cooled in the refrigerator. They are ready to mix, nice and cold. Now I'm cutting up a quarter of a bell pepper, green bell pepper. Need a little bit of that. You don't want hot potato salad, so just let it cool off a bit in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or so. Then you're good to go. So I'm just chopping this up nice and fine, small, nice. I don't like to see the big herbs in my salad. No. That's a no for me, and everybody loves potato salad here. Next is a quarter of a medium onion, nice and small, diced. I'm using much of this today. I don't want any crying today, because you know onions are not my friend. Oh my word. I'm only using a little piece of this, a quarter of a medium onion. Next is a half of a celery stalk. And the scallion, one scallion you should do it, along with a little piece of onion. Yes, the scallion really sets it off. Man, tried this a few times and I love it, so I said for those who don't use it, let you know that scallion sets your potato salad off. Try some. You only need one. Work that. So that's onion, green bell pepper, scallion, celery. Get these up nice and chopped up nice and fine. All right, that should do it. I have 3 hard-boiled eggs, so I'm just going to cut this into quarters and then cut them down. I used to chop them up big, but this little girl here, she just goes ahead and pick out all of the eggs. She loves boiled eggs, but I am chopping them up so everybody can have some. She just wants all of the eggs, so not today. Sorry, Rafi. Everybody's gonna get some of this egg today. When I give her food, I just try to give her a lot of the eggs along with the potatoes. Okay. Okay, this is too small, so I'm just going to transfer it into a larger container, just so I can get the mixing started. That was too small. Only a couple of potatoes, so I thought I would have gotten away with it. Not today. Next, I'm going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of minced garlic. Just a little bit. This is going to really set it off, along with the scallion. Okay, just a little bit. That's the garlic. Next is some salt. Now, you don't need too much of this because I've already added salt when I started to boil it. So just a little bit, about 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit of pepper. Now you can substitute this with black pepper. Don't use black pepper. Next is the mayo. Now I don't want this so creamy. So just about a half a cup would do for me. Mayo. You know how mayo has the flavor. It really makes your food taste good. Next is the mustard, about 1.5 tablespoons. Mustard, yellow mustard. Now the mixing begins. Okay. Now this spoon is just gonna mash it up. So let me use a soft spatula. Still want some whole pieces in it. Okay, that's it. Just folding it in. Everything together. I'm not making mashed potatoes. This is potato salad. Just mixing everything in, just like that. When you're boiling the potatoes, you don't want them to boil soft. You don't want them to be soft. You're not making mashed potatoes. So about 8 minutes. The egg should take about 10 minutes to boil. So try to stop the boiling before. Stop the potatoes before the eggs are done. And you can always put the eggs back on. So about 8 minutes should do it. You can test them with the fork. All you want the fork to be able to go through, because they're cut small. They don't need all of that time. Now I'm going to transfer it back into the serving dish. I already cleaned that up, and now I'm transferring it back into this beautiful dish. Okay, dressing it up for picture taking. Quick and easy. Okay. I'm just cleaning up the dish. I don't like to see all of this stuff around that. Mr. Thompson doesn't like to see that either. So I just try to clean it up. The dish that I'm putting it in. Now I'm going to add some paprika and dry parsley flakes just to garnish it a bit. Dress it up a little bit over the top. You don't need that much, just a little bit over the top to finish, set it off. That's the parsley. That's the paprika. Now the dry parsley. And I'm going to put a few branches of fresh parsley at the top, just for like a little bouquet. That is beautiful, just like that. Ready for the camera. Make sure everything is in place. All the sides are tucked in. There you have it. All right, that's it right there. Quick and easy potato salad, and it's going to be served with everything you see there. Green peas and rice, barbecue ribs, pork chops, garden salad, and lots of love. That's a serving. My. Look at it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Share me out if you can. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.